Hello, this is Jan 2020 paper, and the first part of the question, I'll be solving the first part of the question, which is the errors. So in this, we are going to see that purchases of 1800 had been returned to the supplier, Global ICT. No entries for the returns had been made in the books. So what are the two accounts that's going to be affected? It is purchase returns and global ICT account. Global ICT is going to be my trade payables account. So these had not been recorded, so I'm going to make an entry in the correct places. So in the global ICT purchases trade payables account, it is a liability account. So any purchases that's going to come is going to appear on the credit side. So but purchase returns is going to appear on the debit side. So let's write here. Let's write in the answer book. I'm just going to copy these two in the answer book. The first correction, because the entries are missing, we have to make the right entries in the purchases returns account and global ICT account. So purchases, since purchases is going to appear on the credit side, purchase return has to appear on the debit side. So that is the first entry I'm going to make. So the purchase returns of 1800 has to be entered. So this will be entered on the debit side, and in the purchase returns account it will appear on the credit side. Now the second correction is going to be for the drawings paid by Raj, £900 had been posted to the wages account. So I'll have to remove that entry from the wages account, and I have to make a correct entry into the drawings account. So wages account is supposed to be an expense account. So if I would have made the entry here, I would have made it on the debit side, dead click. Remember the concept of dead click. So I would have made it on the debit side. So for removing, I will have to enter on the credit side and remove it. So I'll be entering 900 to remove from the wages account, and I will be entering 900 pounds drawings on the debit side. Now let us do the third correction. The entries for the payment by check for electricity 1150 were reversed in the books. Because it mentions check, I'm going to write the bank account is going to be affected and the other account is going to be electricity account. So I'm going to make changes to the electricity account and bank account. So it was reversed. So if electricity account was an expense account, and have reverse entry, I would have entered on the credit side. So I will have to enter, remove that entry and also place a correct entry. So I will have to make 1150 twice. So one is for the removal of the wrong entry, and as well as I will have to make the correct entry. So 1150 plus 1150, and the value is going to be around 2300, which I'll have to enter on the debit side. And in the bank account, I will have to remove that and make the correct entry also. So it will be 2300 correct entry on the credit side of the bank.